I know I said there won't be any voiceover, but I just quickly wanted to come here and let you know what does these drawers contain. So the one I'm showing you here has all my color pencils, brush pens and markers and stuff like that. And the next drawer here has all my acrylic paints, my inks and also watercolors. And the next one I'm showing you here has all my DIY items like glue, clay and painter's tape and stuff. And the last one has all my sketchbooks and a cutting tool. So the first drawer contains all my day-to-day items, like this is a wire pouch which has all my iPhone wires, iPad wires, and this is actually my headphones pouch, and these are the books I use every day. So I have a planner and a video planner as well. So if we come to the other side, in this last drawer I have my DJI gimbal, and also I have a tripod kit which was given to me by my friend for my birthday, and also other miscellaneous stuff like glue and extra DIY items. And in the next drawer I have all my yarns and a thread and needle stuff which I used to do for embroidery. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see any of those. And also this drawer contains all my art journaling kit. Like, you know, I have stickers, stamps, and also fabric. And in the next drawer I have some, again, miscellaneous items, like I have few books, and also I have some hooks which I used to hang these paintings and stuff on the wall, the command strips, and also some hooks as well. So I'm just keeping it in this drawer. And also I have my ink kit which I'll be keeping it there as well. And this is a new addition, so this is a desk vacuum cleaner. um, so it's in the orange color, and it's just whenever you draw, you can use this to clean your area. It also comes with a little brush which you can um, use to clean your vacuum cleaner.